working on the grounds of the compound. I've had this property since 2005 maybe. And you can see that it needs some work landscaping wise. The house is all shored up, but we're now tackling this mess back here. It's gotten a little out of control, so we'll see how this looks over the next couple of months. You can see all this overgrowth. I mean, it's been years. We took down, there was a fence line right through here. That's all gone on both sides of the house. Sold that fence. So yeah, a lot of the stuff you can sell. Beautiful trees, beautiful shade on a Saturday morning, 9:30. You can see all the branches down, so just gonna pick up all that, take it out to the curb, clear all this out. This will all be smoothed out. I don't know if we'll need a bobcat in here, but we'll level it all out. Maybe be able to even get some grass growing here in the fall, because there is sunlight that comes through, but you can see all of this. Big job, but hey, it's worth it. Back side of the house, and that's the tenant's car that currently isn't running. It just needs a battery. Camry that still runs, so they're holding on to it. It's actually a valuable little vehicle. But anyway, good tenants in here, and I've always had good tenants in here. Since 2005, I've only had 3 tenants in here in all that time. They've all been terrific. So, nice little property, doing some cleanup, and we'll see how it goes.